Imagine sitting in silence and suddenly hearing a low-frequency hum that seems to have no source. This is the mysterious hum, a phenomenon reported globally, but most famously in Taos, New Mexico. Originating in the 1970s, the humming noise has baffled scientists and residents alike. Some suspect it's a natural acoustic effect, while others speculate technological or psychological origins. Despite extensive research, its true cause remains elusive. Many experience it differently, from a distant rumble to a persistent buzz. The hum serves as a reminder of how little we understand the complex interactions between our environment and human perception.